Maverick Ranger Limited camper trailer will make family camping easier, comfier and stress-free.
Look how easy it is to set up and pack down the Ranger because it's spring-loaded. As soon as you undo the latches, it almost sets up itself. No more arguments setting up camp. Once set up, you've got a massive slide-out kitchen, fridge and pantry. Plus look at how much room inside. You can escape the weather in here if it turns sour, or open up the whole side for comfy indoor-outdoor living. The seating and table also converts to a bed for the kids. Having a camper trailer like the Ranger Limited means you can take anything you want camping, fit all your food, cutlery, plates and cooking equipment in the dedicated storage, plus bulky stuff here and even bikes and kayaks and more on the roof.
Having a quality built camper trailer with all the comfort and storage like this one right here makes family camping so much easier, not to mention more comfortable. And think about it, you could take your family to places just like this. Now, if you want to find out more information, head to the website maverickcampers.com.au.